What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a remedy that would help you to remove all of your belly fat externally, and this is going to help you guys. Now, for you to see a very visible result, you have to be consistent and you have to like apply it and leave it on for so long, like for some hours or overnight, and it's gonna work really wonders on your skin. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Drop your comments below, and share this video. And now let's dive into the video. Get rid of belly fats. You're gonna be needing onion, guys. Now, onion is a great remedy that triggers the skin, and it also helps to reduce the fats in the fat cells. It helps also to make your waist smaller, and it also leaves your skin very healthy. It works in removing dark elbow, and it also gets rid of darkening. I'm gonna be cutting the head off. Onion, or you can actually blend it however you want it. Okay, I'll be needing the juice of this onion, so I'm done creating, and now I'm gonna be extracting the juice. Okay, and what I need is basically just little. And then we're going to be needing garlic. Now, you can actually use the fresh garlic, which is what I have here, or you can use the garlic powder. This is the garlic powder. Okay, this one is a processed garlic powder made from the real garlic. Alright, and it's pure. It works as equivalent as this, but this one is actually fresh, but this one is dry. So anyone you can lay your hand on for this treatment, you can actually use it. It's going to work really fine. Okay, and now I'm actually going to be using the fresh garlic. Okay, so I'm actually going to be peeling all of this garlic so we can have enough of it to work with. I'm going to be blending the garlic. So this is how it is blended. I'm just going to be turning it into the onion juice. And we stir. So the next one we're going to be making use of is toothpaste, okay? Because toothpaste is great on the skin, it helps to remove pimples. So combining toothpaste with other natural home remedy would effectively remove belly fat from the outside, okay? So I already squeezed out some toothpaste while I was trying to create a thumbnail. So here I have the toothpaste. Now you have to blend it in first, okay? Blend it in first. Let it blend in very well. To be making use of vapor rub. Vapor rub is mainly good for cough suppressants, and it's also great for joints and arthritis. But using vapor rub alongside with all other natural remedy would effectively help to remove belly fats, and it will also help to smoothen out the skin, okay? So now we're just going to be scooping in the vapor rub into the treatment. Cover this and set it aside. And mix and mix very well. Make sure it is properly mixed so that when you apply it, the treatment will work really fine. Alright guys, so what you do is that you take this treatment and then you apply it onto your tummy, okay? Just like that. Anyways, I'm actually going to be using my hands to show you guys this. So you apply it all over your tummy, and it's actually going to be very hot. You have to apply a good amount of that, okay? Now you can actually just leave it on for it to dry, but if you don't want it to be messy around everywhere, like staining all of your clothes and stuff, you can use a clean nylon or any nylon, you know, that you basically can just grab. You use it. So I have a clean nylon here, okay? So what you do is to grab this nylon and then you open it up. Now you have to cover it, okay? Cover the place. Now one of the essence of this is so that it could actually work really fine. Cover your belly with this, okay? And another is so that you don't, you know, you don't have to be messy around, because when it touches your clothes it's just going to stain. So you have to cover this at most in 2 times. Or 3 times, and make sure it is super duper tight. Now if you have girdle or waist trainer, you can also, after wrapping it with this nylon, then you can, you know, wrap it round, wrap your girdle round or your waist trainer round, then you can hold it on on your belly for a couple of hours. Okay, let it just go in deep in, and it's just going to help you to burn down the fat cells. Okay, and your skin is going to be healthy outside, but your belly fat is going to start to reduce. Okay, now the whole essence of this is so that it could actually burn down the fat cells. Okay, when it does that, the fat is going to begin to shrink, it's going to begin to dissolve, and you're going to pee a lot. Now when it works for you, what you're going to begin to experience is that you're going to pee or you're going to poo. Okay, because the fat has actually been dissolved and it has to go out of your body, so you're going to poo or you're going to pee a lot. So that's when you begin to know that it is actually working, and also you're going to begin to see the improvements of this remedy on the outside, like on your belly. Okay, so what you do is that you can hold it on, and then for a couple of hours, as much as you could stay. Okay, then you can lose it. Now for this remedy, it's actually not a miracle remedy, but it is natural and it also works really fine. So what you do is that you have to continually use it for a couple of days or weeks, okay, if you can. And I mean, all of your fats on your tummy would begin to go off, just like mine. Okay, all right guys, so let me stand up and show you guys my tummy. See that? I'm actually putting on. Okay guys, so I just want some of you guys to see, because I know some people be like, stand up, let me see, and stuff. So that's it. I actually put in so much work in removing my belly fats. I used to have some belly fat, you know, because of some sugary things and soda and all of that. This remedy is going to work for you, but you have to also stay away from some very sweet things and very fatty food, and you know, carbohydrate food too. You can eat all of that, but do it in moderation. Okay, like take away soda completely, and it's gonna work for you. All right, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching it, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Also don't forget to leave your comments below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and